Hey, this is Matt with Coastal Compass, and today we're going to be giving you a quick tour of the Beachfront Butler Suite with private pool room at Sandals Royal Caribbean. It has the room code BSUP. This was one of my favorite rooms on the property because, as you'll see, not only does it have lots of space and butler service, it's also got a patio with a soaking tub and the private plunge pool, and it also sits right out on the beach. It sits in this beautiful beachside building. If you like what you see and you want to book, we're happy to help you make that happen. Go to cctravelcompany.com and click Contact Us. If you want to book yourself, that is totally cool too. If you found this helpful, I do have an affiliate link in the show notes that really helps me out and makes a huge difference for me when you use that to book. Last, if you've already booked your room but you haven't paid in full, you might still qualify for my free concierge service, in which I'll help you get all the good stuff set up prior to your trip. Check out the show notes. I've got a link for that right there as well. All right, let's get into this room and check it out.